Hi guys, I hope you're doing good. We are back again with a new version of our app, Pisces Horoscope. This update was released yesterday. It's a nice update with a lot of customization changes, settings changes, and also we have added a lot of new features. I'll walk you through uh, with the app. On the top left corner, there is a button which will open the main menu. These are all the features which we have. Click on daily horoscope. By default, today's horoscope will open. There is a button to adjust the font, make it smaller or bigger. You can swipe for yesterday horoscope, or left right you can swipe for tomorrow horoscope. We have weekly, monthly and yearly horoscope. As you can see, there are a lot of fields in the yearly horoscope, like personal and social life, love, career and money, etc. On top right corner, there is a share button where you can share this horoscope with your friends on WhatsApp or Gmail, or you can also post it on your Facebook wall like this. Then the next feature is love horoscope. This is a special horoscope in terms of love and relationship life, everyday life, like today, tomorrow, yesterday. Same way you can swipe it for weekly, monthly and yearly horoscope. We have weekly, monthly and yearly horoscope separate for singles and couples in this, as you can see, which is a nice feature, I think. This also you can share on WhatsApp or Facebook. Third option is zodiac reading. This is the zodiac profile for your sign, meaning if the person is having Pisces as the zodiac sign, how the person is, his personality traits or his hobbies, how the person behaves in certain situations. Everything is written in the information. This also you can share. This also has a font change button. Then the fourth option is sign compatibility. Here you can compare your sign with your partner's sign and see how compatible you are with your partner. Let's say Gemini is your partner's sign. This will help you a lot to improve your relationship or solve any issues if you have. Just go through it. It's a compatibility report. This also you can share with your partner directly and discuss whatever issues you want to. The last thing is child astrology. This is a special horoscope. This is a special zodiac profile for children. First I told you about the adult zodiac profile. This is for children. Just go through it. This will tell you how the personality of your child might be, or he or she might have what hobbies. Depending on that, you can decide what career you have to choose, what career path you have to choose for your child, etc. It's a lot of information, as you can see. This also you can share. The next thing is settings. As I told you, we have a lot of customization options. We have added many themes, fonts, font color you can change now. First is theme. Choose the theme depending on your liking. Then the font you can change. There are 8 fonts. You can change the font color. You can change the app header color. On top settings, there is a bar which color you can change, like this. Or if you don't like any settings, you can click on reset to default to reset the settings to default. So everything will be default now, theme, fonts, etc. Next is the notification button. We have notification to check horoscope every day 8 a.m. in the morning, which we have set by default. I suggest you keep it enabled so that in the morning when you get up, you get the horoscope and then you can read it, go through it and plan your day accordingly. That's it, guys. The next things are rate me and more apps. We have more apps like this in the market. If you like the app, you want to go for new apps, you click on that, go to the Play Store and download. All apps are free. Rate me button is the last thing, wherein you can click. It will take you to Play Store URL and ask you to give ratings or comments. Give your comments, suggestions, any new features if you want to add, just write in your comments. It will help us a lot, and we will try to add the features in the next update. I think this is it. I think this is the one of the best apps in the market for horoscope and astrology. Not just because it looks good, it has a lot of information, like you can see everything it has. right from horoscope till compatibility, love horoscope, etc. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll be back when the next update comes.